In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise a support ticket for Dynamics 365 customer service with Microsoft. Whether you're an admin looking to resolve technical issues or simply need guidance, knowing how to efficiently raise a support request can save you time and frustration. Let's walk through this process together so you can get the support you need. First, you'll need to navigate to either admin.microsoft.com or admin.powerplatform.microsoft.com. These are the entry points to the Microsoft admin centers, where a lot of management and support tasks can be initiated. Make sure you're signed in with the appropriate credentials that have administrative access, as this will be necessary to proceed with raising a support ticket. Once you're logged in and on the main page, turn your attention to the navigation pane on the left side. Look for the section labeled Support, then click on Help and Support. This will guide you to the area where you can begin the process of seeking assistance with Microsoft's virtual support infrastructure. After you click on Help and Support, a chat box will pop up on the right side of your screen. This is the Support Virtual Agent, a tool designed to help you streamline the process of resolving your issues. The virtual agent initially attempts to address your concerns by providing automated support. However, if you prefer to talk to someone directly, you'll need to communicate further in the chat. In the chat with the virtual agent, type something along the lines of, "I need to speak with a live agent." Be direct and clear with your request. This prompt helps the system understand that your situation requires escalation beyond what the automated responses can provide. Sometimes the automation can only take you so far, and a live agent can better understand the nuances of your issue. Following this step, the system will usually escalate your request to a real support agent. You may have to wait a short moment for the availability of a support person, depending on how busy their service lines are at the time. Once a live agent is assigned to your case, they will assist you directly to understand the specifics of your support need and help you create a ticket if necessary. Raising a support ticket is an organized way to ensure that your issue is documented and tracked, getting you effective help from Microsoft's support team. Remember that clearly stating your issue and any steps you've already tried can expedite finding a solution when the live agent comes on board. And there you have it, you're now prepared to successfully raise a support ticket through Microsoft's system. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide simplifies how you handle support challenges with Dynamics 365 customer service.